housemaid or housework, umukozi wo mu rugo. Ubusobanuro: a housework is a person who cleans, cooks and helps in domestic activities. Umukozi wo mu rugo ni umuntu usukura, agateka kandi afasha mu mirimo yo mu rugo. Urugero: the housework cleaned the rooms and washed the clothes. Umukozi wo mu rugo yasukuye ibyumba maze anafura imyenda. Mason, umufundi. Ubusobanuro: mason builds houses, roads and buildings. Umufundi yubaka inzu, imihanda n'inyubako. Buildings ni inyubako. Buildings ni inyubako. Masons are building a new school. Abafundi barimo kubaka ishuri rishya. Cyclist, umunyegare cyangwa se umunyonzi. Ubusobanuro: a cyclist is a person who rides a bicycle either for sport, exercise or transport. Umunyonzi ni umuntu utwara igare, ashobora kuba abikora mu buryo bw'imyitozo, uburyo bwa siporo cyangwa se gutwara abantu n'ibintu. Urugero: Kalisa rides his bicycle to school. Kalisa atwara igare rye agiye ku ishuri. Motorcyclist, umumotari. A motorcyclist is a person who rides a motorcycle, often to transport people or goods. Umumotari ni umuntu utwara moto, akenshi ajyana abantu cyangwa ibicuruzwa. Goods ni ibicuruzwa. Urugero: the motorcyclist took a passenger to the market. Umumotari yajyanye umugenzi ku isoko. Passenger. Passenger ni umugenzi. Dusoma motorcyclist, ntabwo dusoma motorcyclist, dusoma motorcyclist. Driver. Driver, umushoferi. Ubusobanuro: a driver drives a car, bus or truck to carry people or goods. Umushoferi atwara imodoka, bisi cyangwa ikamyo ajyana abantu cyangwa ibicuruzwa. Urugero: a driver took passengers from Kamonyi to Kigali. Shoferi yatwaye abagenzi abavana i Kamonyi abajyana i Kigali. Pilot. Pilot ni pilote. Ni pilote w'indege. Ubusobanuro mu Cyongereza: a pilot flies airplanes and takes passengers to different countries. To fly airplanes ni ugutwara indege. Twabonye ko gutwara imodoka ari to drive, noneho gutwara moto ni to ride, ndetse no gutwara igare ni to ride. Tugaruke hano ku rugero rwacu: a pilot flies airplanes and takes passengers to different countries. Umupilote atwara indege ajyana abagenzi mu bihugu bitandukanye. Urugero, the pilot landed the plane safely. Umupilote yamanukije indege neza. Doctor. Doctor ni dogiteri cyangwa se muganga. A doctor treats sick people and helps them get better. Dogiteri avura abarwayi akanabafasha gukira. Sick people ni abarwayi, sick people. To get better ni ugukira se cyangwa koroherwa. Urugero, the doctor gave me medicine for my headache. Dogiteri yampaye imiti yo kuvura umutwe wanjye. Chef cyangwa se cook, umutetsi. Dusoma chef, tuvuga chef. Niko tubivuga mu Cyongereza. Ubusobanuro: a chef cooks food in restaurants and hotels. Umutetsi ateka amafunguro mu maresitora no mu mahoteli. Urugero, the chef prepared delicious rice and chicken. Umutetsi yateguye umuceri n'inkoko biryoshye. Delicious food ni ibiryo biryoshye. Bank employee or bank worker, umukozi wa banki. Ubusobanuro: a bank employee is a person who works in a bank and helps customers with money services. Umukozi wa banki ni umuntu ukorera muri banki kandi afasha abakiriya mu bikorwa by'amafaranga. Urugero, the bank worker helped me open a new account. Umukozi wa banki yamfashije gufungura konti nshya. Ntago hano dusoma helped, no, helped ni utumva ko ari ibintu biciriritse. Ntago tuvuga helped, no. Helped me open a new account. Umukozi wa banki yamfashije gufungura konti nshya. President, perezida w'igihugu. Ubusobanuro: president is the leader of country. Perezida w'igihugu ni uyobora igihugu. Urugero, the president gave a speech to the citizens. Perezida yavuze ijambo rigenewe abaturage. Carpenter, ntabwo dusoma carpenter, umubaji. Dusoma carpenter, ntabwo dusoma carpenter. A carpenter makes and repairs things made of wood like chairs, tables and doors. Umubaji akora kandi asana ibintu bikozwe mu giti nk'intebe, ameza n'inzugi. Urugero, the carpenter made a new wooden bed. Umubaji yakoze igitanda gishyashya cyo mu giti. Teacher, umwarimu. A teacher is a person who helps students learn in school. Umwarimu ni umuntu ufasha abanyeshuri kwiga mu ishuri. Urugero, the teacher explains lessons to students. Urugero, mwarimu asobanurira abanyeshuri amasomo. Guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, niba utarakora subscribe kuri YouTube channel yacu, wabikora ubu ngubu utazongera gucikwa n'andi masomo meza nk'aya. Thank you for watching.